Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning instrument cluster. As you can see, I got two cluster here, and let me guys show you. Yeah, this is the second-hand used cluster from a scrapyard, and this is the genuine cluster from the car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to read all the information from this cluster and write it back to the new cluster. As you can see, both clusters are exactly same part number. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use VVDI today. As you can see, I got VVDI already here, so I'm gonna use the VVDI to do that cloning process. So let's go to the VVDI Prog. So what we're gonna do, we go here, we go to the dashboard. From dashboard we go to Ford. We just look for the Ford. The thing is somewhere up here. Yeah, that's the one here, Ford. And this is the Fiesta, I think that one here. And then this is the wiring diagram. Yeah, that's the wiring diagram. So what we're gonna do, we want to take that cluster off. This is the original cluster from the car, so I'm gonna use this one first. So it's very easy to take the cover out. It's just got few click here and one here, and that's it. This is the cover, and this is the back of the cluster, as you can see. And it's very easy wiring diagram. So I'm gonna do all the wiring pinout, and once I do the pinout, I'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, I done all the wiring pinout. So I connect the VVDI Prog to the laptop, and now let's go back to the laptop. So I'm gonna read the EEPROM. As you can see, the EEPROM already read. So before I save the EEPROM, I'm gonna do verify to make sure we got good reading. Verify is a success. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save the file. So I'm just saving this to my desktop. I just put that one EEPROM org. So I save this. Now I'm going to read the flash. Alright guys, as you can see, the flash file already read, so I'm gonna save that one as well. So I save this one as flash org. Save. So we already read the EEPROM file and flash file. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the actual wiring and connect to the donor instrument cluster. And once I do the wiring to the donor instrument cluster, and then I will be back. Alright guys, I just connect the donor instrument cluster to the VVDI. We're gonna write the original EEPROM and the original flash back to this cluster. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to open, and then you can see that one is a genuine EEPROM. I just click this and I'm gonna press right. Yes, continue to write. That's completely right, so we're gonna go back to flash, and then I'm gonna open the original flash file, which is yeah, as you can see guys, this is the actual original flash. So I'm gonna press right. Yes. Well guys, as you can see, everything complete, all process complete without issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close everything here. I'm going to close VVDI as well, and so I'm going to desolder all the wiring pin out, and that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.